Hi, I'm Ruben, and in this video we're going to make an AI agent in 5 minutes. So first off is the first screen that you get in Boei is to generate the AI agent. Here you can type in the bot description or typically the description about your business. So let's add a description about a business that's called James, which makes biodegradable cleaners for carpets and these kinds of things. You can choose the default language, but know that the interface will be automatically translated. For now, we'll just choose English and let's start generating the bot. This takes a few seconds and you will see that the bot is already done actually. So here we go and just start off with editing the bot settings. So, well, you can type in the name, opening message, all these kinds of things. Let's leave it for this. You have a couple of quick buttons. We will also just leave it for this. Here's the description about the business, etc. But now we need to train the bot about our business because it knows some generic things, but definitely not everything. So let's add in a couple of articles that we are selling. So typically you can do the whole domain crawl, but it will take a couple of minutes. So just use a couple of URLs. Here we can paste them, just add them here. Okay, we got it. It will gather them. It will take a few seconds. Let's select them all, start training, and you will see them being ticked off one by one actually. Maybe in the meantime, this will take 1 or 2 minutes typically. In the meantime, you can also see you can train the bot on text, PDF, Q&A and questions and answers. So many things that you can actually use. Well, you see it already trained on these pages. It will take on the third one. So let's continue. If you want, you can turn on the lead generation information. So let's say, okay, we want to ask about the email or these kinds of things. We'll not do that right now. And here you can put in information for a transcript. So when there's a successful conversation with a customer, you can type in your email here and it will automatically email you the whole transcript when it's done with an AI summary as well. And you can even define when you want to receive the transcript. So for example, if an email is defined or if it's considered the lead or these kinds of things, just type it in normally and it will automatically handle it for you. Yeah, so the bot is already trained. We can now test it. We can do that here. And let's see how we can remove an oil stain. And this is not the final look of your bot. You can change that. And you see it here that it automatically uses the information that it's received from the website. And the user can click here to go to the page to actually buy the product. Now to add this bot in your website, what you can do here is you typically go to the home page. You can add a new domain. If it's not already there, let's add it now. You can add a new widget. Doesn't really matter here. Here you can choose the AI chatbot. Let's select the bot. So I think we call it Stainbuster. Save it here. You skip the list of channels because it's only one. So what you can see here is if I enable it, you see this one here. If I disable it, and if I enable it, you will see automatically it opens up the whole agent. So this is already done. Here we can choose the settings. So I think I like the darker one. So yeah, it's enabled in dark. You'll see it here. So this is actually pretty done. And now we can go on to the installation on the website. So if we have WordPress or HTML, whatever, you can just choose. There are many options to choose from here, lots of platforms. Let's say we have WordPress. Now we can go to the installation guide, copy this key and fill it in on the right spot and we're done. So I promise you to have a working chatbot in 5 minutes and it's already done and dusted. So let's go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to contact and we're always happy to help. All right, see you.